On October 31st, 2024, Arkansas police responded to a call about a man blocking a woman from leaving a restaurant. When officers arrived, the man immediately became hostile and gave a fake name. After he refused to confirm his identity, he was detained, and a search revealed his real name. He was arrested and taken to jail. But while in transit to the jail, he knew he had the right to remain silent. He just lacked the capacity. This is how it went down.
I literally told you that. I'm only.
He should be gone now. Y'all shouldn't have any more problems.
I OD'd the other day.
Well, whose fault is that? How are you going to yell at them that you OD'd because you made a decision to take drugs that you shouldn't take?
Because you're making a false arrest.
No, you lied to me.
You're
obstructing governmental operations. This right here.
The court will tell me that
they sure will.
False arrest.
You can.
I'll sue your ass.
Let's go ahead and get all this on camera.
Yes. Hey, so basically, I was using my Fifth Amendment, and he detained me because I lied to him, which is my Fifth Amendment right.
Say that again. You did what?
I lied to you, which is my Fifth Amendment right. And by definition, hey, you said you were recording this, right?
It's all on audio.
Yeah, you better show it to the court. You're making a false arrest because you're saying I allegedly did some shit. All I did was go to the store and back.
No.
Yes,
I was there
and I was actually going to buy some pizza. I actually have pizza. You said you have it all on recording. You don't know which store I went to. I went to anywhere. Okay,
27 PD, I'll be 15-120.
False record. This is a false request. I OD'd the other day. Okay,
I'm 19 to
You're making a false arrest. I'm going to get out today.
And if you do, I hope you stay out of trouble, because otherwise I'll take you right back.
To God that I can sue you. I can sue you. This actually is a false arrest. This is not. I'm not disrupting your property. If anything, you're just trying to increase your paycheck at the end of the month.
I get paid no more for this right now.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You get paid to make arrests. It's called your governmental increase. False arrestment. Yeah, I lied to you about me and my name, which is my Fifth Amendment right. Yes, it is. Plead the Fifth. I even told you that. You were yelling and screaming. You were yelling and screaming, assaulting me. Yeah, you're not denying it.
I did no such thing at all.
Yeah, you did not. No. Now you're changing the story. You're changing the story. You assaulted me, Mr. King. You assaulted me? You're changing the story? You got this all on recording. You assaulted me and you didn't deny it? You didn't deny it? And now you're changing the story? Yeah.
All you had to do is give me your name, dude. That's it. I would have let you go on your way, but you didn't.
I told you.
No, you told me a false
identification.
identification.
I'm allowed to have my Fifth Amendment right.
And you don't know anything. You don't know anything.
The right to remain silent.
You have to identify yourself.
That doesn't matter, sir.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, because
And if you don't, it's obstructing governmental operations.
I identified myself.
That's the wrong person. The wrong person. I have your ID right here.
I did identify myself, sir.
As the wrong person.
I did tell you the truth.
You falsely identified yourself.
Yes.
You just said, so you just admitted to the crime.
I did tell you the truth. I was lying.
You just admitted to the crime.
What was that?
Obstructing governmental operations.
No, that's not a crime. Yes, it's my Fifth Amendment right. Look it up. You have it. Yeah, Fifth Amendment. The right to remain silent.
You didn't remain silent.
You assaulted me and you didn't deny that. You're changing the story. You have it all on recording.
Knowingly hindering a peace officer while they're enforcing the law, using threatening or verbal physical force.
You're using physical force. You are using physical force.
Knowingly refusing to provide information requested by a government agency.
Yes, I'm allowed to do that.
Falsely identifying oneself to a law enforcement. No, it isn't. That is obstructing governmental operations.
No, it's my Fifth Amendment. I know.
Because you know you're wrong.
No, I'm actually right. I actually am right. I'm allowed to tell you that my name's Alex Courtway because you are arresting me based off of what? Tell me. You said it yourself.
I was there to investigate a situation that you caused.
Yeah, what
so
was
I
that?
could also add
Walking?
disorderly conduct. No, you wouldn't let the girl get in her car. I have multiple eyewitnesses to that. Also, the eyewitness inside the restaurant. So I have multiple eyewitnesses of what you were doing and why
I denied that.
Didn't say you touched them. Said you would not allow them in their vehicle.
No, you're saying I touched them. You're
No, I
changing
didn't.
the story.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
you are on
are.
some good stuff right now, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm a good person. I'm
didn't say
actually
that.
sober. You should do a drug test.
27 PD. I'll be 19.
Do a drug test.
I'll be 97 to jail.
You said I was. You said
You just told me you OD'd.
drugs?
You just told me you OD'd.
Yeah, I OD'd.
When?
I did.
Yeah, you told me multiple times. You even yelled it to the people out in the parking lot that you OD'd the other day. Yeah, forgot about that, did you?
That's not a crime. That's
No, but you just said you could pass a drug test. You could pass a drug test.
I'm going to request suicide watch and request to get out.
If you request suicide watch, they're not going to let you out.
You can't
Genius.
charge me with this, sir.
Yes, I can, and I am.
Dominic Kersey was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations and disorderly conduct. His bond was set at $530. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.